Holy heck, freaking wind blew this over today. Actually, since this morning when I was out here doing chores, this was not like this. Then I'll take you up here and show you where else it's freaking destroyed. So this was already broke off, but it had fallen into that tree right there, and check that out. It freaking snapped that today. Man, what the hell? That's gonna be tricky. That's gonna be a mess cutting that down. All right, so this is what I got here. It's about an 8.5 inch cant. Solid cherry, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So then I cut them 18 inches. And here's the contraption I have from my saw. So what you do is you got a 1/2 inch shim. You pick it up. Hold on. Sorry about that. You pick it up, you put that under, and now this is your thin end. So you come down 2/8, and it comes out here at 5/8. Then you drop it, you go down here 7/8, comes out here 2/8. And this is what you end up with. Freaking amazing looking shingles. Look at that. 15, depending on your climate, 15 to 30 years on your roof. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that cherry. Holy smokes. You put a little protectant on that to keep the color, that'll be absolutely gorgeous. Peace out, boys.